Bhumi Pujan in Ayodhya, there is an atmosphere of happiness all over the country. Devotees all over the country are waiting for the temple of Ramlala to be built in Ayodhya. In this Bhumi Pujan, the water up to the confluence of Prayagraj has a different relationship with Ayodhya. The water that has been taken from the confluence of Sangam in Prayagraj was used in Bhumi Pujan, as well as Prayagraj has an old relationship with the history of Sri Ramchandra. Right now we are standing in Prayagraj, and the importance of Prayagraj in the Ayodhya's Bhumi Pujan is very important. At our back you can see that the infrastructure of a Ram Mandir has been built with the sand art. This infrastructure is the copy of the Ram Mandir which will be going to build in Ayodhya. And in Ayodhya today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has gone there to participate in Bhumi Pujan. So right now we are standing in Prayagraj, and this is Sangam area where the Ganga, Yamuna and Invisible Saraswati meets. From this river, the water has been taken in the water has been used in the Bhumi Pujan in Ayodhya, in which Prime Minister Narendra Modi had participated today in Ayodhya. So we are standing in Sangam. I will request my cameraman to rotate his camera towards the Sangam river, and you can see here that this is the river in which the Ganga, Yamuna and the invisible Saraswati meets. And we are standing here right in the front of this river where these three rivers meet, and this is really saying that the three rivers meet at a point. And from here only, I'm repeating again that the water from this river has been taken for the Bhumi Pujan in Ayodhya. As we have seen before also, that in Sangam only the infrastructure of Ayodhya has been made from the help of the sand, through sand art, and they have shown how the Ram Mandir will build in Ayodhya. From Prayagraj, this is Sarthak Pandey, English News.